life without you is just like chocolate chip cookies. Without chocolate chips, it's just flour. And flour makes chocolate chip cookies, but you need the chocolate chips to make the cookies better. And I'm probably missing some steps, but that's how you make chocolate chip cookies with you. And life without you is like my favorite fries, but fries without any salt, it's potatoes. And potatoes are good, but then they're better with flavor, just like you make my life that much greater. And I'm probably missing some steps, but that's how you make life so much better with you.